Hello you guys, I'm back. About to fry my catfish. I had 2 small catfish fillets. I haven't fried catfish in a while, and this is my favorite seasoning I put on. I don't add any salt, no pepper. The only thing I use is this. This is really well. Some people like the Louisiana, but this is my preference, okay? This is what Sue like. So I just add a little on here. And just massage it in them, okay? So once I get all of this massage into my fish, you guys, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, you guys, my grease is hot and ready to go. So I'm gonna add my fish to the grease. Okay, I had my fish over here coating for a while. Then what you do, you add another little coat to it. See, here's my fish. That's my fish over here frying. So can you all see a little bit better? Okay. So I will be back when it's time for me to flip it. Now it's time for me to flip the fish, you guys. Golden brown. I will be back when it's time for me to plate this up. Okay, time for me to take it and put it up. Well, you know when your fish is almost done. Well, when it's done, because it gets quiet. Plate it up. It's my golden fried fish. And I thank you for watching.